Okay, so here's the 2018 2-ton Goodman heat pump running in cool mode. It's got a Goodman scroll compressor. And I got my tripod here. I'm gonna try to get it starting up. I'm gonna try to use this setup. So that should look really good. I'm looking forward to it. I did it with that one yesterday. It looked really good. See, it's shaking like crazy. (2018) 2-ton. I wonder what month month it is. I don't know if it's the 51st week. So I can tell you like what week it is from 2018 it is, but yeah, it's nice and cold and sweaty. This one's not been running since last night. It seems to only run at night, so it's gonna be a little hard for me to get it. I got this one yesterday. Yeah, you can see it's been running. So yeah, I just want to get a video of this one running. So yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Over and out.